Good PM po. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, December 17, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, December 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong December 17, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, December 17, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates for Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for December 17, 2024 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, December 17, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.